Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit photo on TikTok. So for that, make sure you have downloaded your TikTok app on your device. And then go to your TikTok app. Now here you can see on For You page, profile icon, inbox, plus icon, friends and home icon. So as we are here to edit photo, let's go to plus icon. Now here you can see many options like text, photo, 15 second, 60 second, 10 minute. 10 minute, 60 second and 15 second is for video. So we are here to edit photo, so let's go to photo. Now here you can click a photo or upload a photo from your gallery. For now, I will upload photo from my gallery. For example, let's upload this photo to edit. Now, if you want to edit photo, then in the right corner you can see many options like edit, templates, text, stickers, effects, filters, etc. So to edit, let's click on edit button. Now here you can see many options like edit. If you want to trim your video, then you can just select edit and split your video or your photo. This is all about if you want to edit your photo and make your photo like video. But if you just want to edit your photo, then just click on effects. Here you can see many options. Here you can see many filters for your photo. So you can choose whichever filters you want. Now if you want to add filters on your photo, then go to filters. Here you can choose many filters for your photo like F1, F2, F3, F4, S2, whichever suits your photo. If you want to add text, then also you can add text by typing here and done. If you want to add stickers, go to stickers and click whichever stickers you want to add in your photo. So that's wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.